Understanding Cleanse Regimen, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, cleanse regimen. This is a common term in health and wellness contexts, and understanding it can enrich your English vocabulary. Let's dive in. Cleansing generally refers to the act of making something clean or purifying it. In the context of health and wellness, it often involves dietary or lifestyle changes aimed at removing toxins from the body. The word regimen, on the other hand, denotes a systematic plan or set of rules, especially designed to improve or maintain health. Therefore, a cleanse regimen is a structured plan that helps in detoxifying the body. There are various types of cleanse regimens. Some focus on juice fasting, where you consume only fruit and vegetable juices for a certain period. Others might involve eliminating processed foods, sugar, and alcohol from your diet, replacing them with whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and grains. Remember, the specifics of a cleanse regimen can vary widely, but the core idea remains the same: purifying and rejuvenating the body. Let's see how cleanse regimen is used in sentences. 1. After the holidays, I plan to start a cleanse regimen to feel healthier. 2. Her cleanse regimen includes drinking green smoothies and avoiding dairy products. 3. Are you interested in learning about different cleanse regimens? Detoxification. The process of removing toxic substances. Holistic. Concerned with complete systems rather than individual parts. Sustainable. Capable of being maintained over the long term. I hope this video clarifies what a cleanse regimen is and how it's used. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you navigate conversations on health and wellness more confidently. See you in our next lesson, and keep practicing your English.